Hey everybody, welcome back. I hope everybody's doing well out there. It's Friday here in Southern California, getting ready for a nice weekend, although it is raining outside, which in Southern California, hey, this is why we pay the big bucks, so we don't have to deal with rain, but it is raining. Everything needs some rain once in a while, I do realize so. All right, well, today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about call center and some of my opinions on it. All right, so when it comes to call center, I get a lot of calls from companies that are looking to get a new contact center or call center solution. And one of the first things they'll say is we just want to do what we're already doing today. So say they have an on-prem system. A lot of companies call me, they have a Cisco on-prem system or a ShoreTel on-prem system, and a call center component is attached to that. And they're getting rid of their phone system and their call center all at once, and they're wanting to replace what they're doing today as is. So that's a problem, and I'll explain to you why in a little bit. First, before I get too far ahead of myself, a quick plug. If you like my recommendation on the best cloud contact center solutions your company should be quoting, reach out, send me an email, give me a call. I'm happy to help. I've been doing this for 20 years. I'm a broker for every major cloud contact center solution out there. And within a few questions, I can tell you which vendors you should be quoting, price ranges, stuff like that. So don't hesitate to reach out. It won't cost you a thing. More information on that at the end of the video. Also, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. That'd be a big favor to me. I'd really appreciate it. So your company is looking into a new cloud contact center solution, and your immediate reaction is, hey, let's just upgrade our solution. Maybe you're going from an on-prem solution to a cloud solution. Your on-prem solution is end of life. The licensing is up for renewal. You don't want to pay it. You want to move to a cloud solution. And your first reaction is, hey, let's just swap out what we have. What are we doing today? Don't rock the boat type of thing. But that's actually the wrong mentality to have, in my opinion, because what you're doing today is what everybody's used to doing, and it's based on technology that was available probably 10 years ago, or maybe even longer. And so it's based on everybody's old paradigm of what's possible, and just because everybody in the office is used to doing it a certain way and is operating, at full steam ahead doing it that way, that doesn't necessarily mean it's the best way of operating today. So for instance, I get a lot of companies that'll say, hey, right now we just do phone calls. That's all we want to mess with is phone calls. We don't want to look at integrating our email into the queue. We don't want to look at integrating our website chat into the queue or text messaging, SMS into the queue. We don't want to look at any of that. We just want to do what we're doing today. We don't want to really get too fancy. Well, the problem is with that is that all this new technology is out there, and it allows a lot more functionality than what your company is doing today. And my opinion is that if your company isn't progressive in trying to figure out better ways to service your customers, your competitors are. Your competitors are going to be looking into this stuff, and as a company, you should always be looking into ways to better service your customers. So if your customers would rather, text message you than call you all the time and get into your contact center that way and maybe get customer service or something like that through text message, you should find ways to service them that way. Or if sometimes your folks internally aren't responding to an email quick enough, or the emails are kind of getting lost, somebody emails your company from a customer service standpoint or sales standpoint, and you don't even know if that email gets responded to in a timely fashion. Well, you need to know, and there's technology out there that will allow you to do that. So there's all kinds of cool features out there that will help your contact center service your customer better, and it'll also help your supervisors train your people better. But you'll never get there if you have the mentality of, let's just duplicate what we're doing today. You really want to open up those gates of conversations with other departments within your organization, and don't just try to check the box of getting this phone system project done and off your plate. I know you guys have a lot going on for sure, and you have a lot of projects you need to work on, but you need to make sure, just involve other people on the call and open up everybody's mind of like, yeah, this is the way we're doing it today, but can we service our customers better with the technology that's out there? And can we train our our contact center staff better and manage them better with the technology that's out there. Because that's the point of technology, right? It makes things better. It improves our ability to do things. So as the technology group, the IT staff within the company, hey, that's your job, is to bring the technology to the company and say, hey, there's new technology out there that will allow us to be better as a company. So, you know, I know it's easier to just do things as is, but trust me, look into the new stuff, you know, if not to create a roadmap, maybe not initially right out of the gate on the install, but have a roadmap. Hey, 6 months in, we want to integrate this new technology that this company is going to enable us to be able to use. So have a little bit of an open mind when it comes to that. That's my advice. All right, so if you have any comments, don't forget to leave a comment. If you don't agree with anything I said, hey, let's chat about it. But if you'd like my recommendation on the best contact center solutions that fit your organization specifically, reach out, send me an email, give me a call. I've been doing this for 20 years. I work with all the major vendors out there. Based on your company's requirements, I can pair you up with the right vendors to use that our customers have had great experiences with. And I'll also partner you up with the right people within those organizations that you want to work with. And I'll also oversee the quoting process to make sure your company gets the lowest pricing available with that service provider, and that the install goes well and all that good stuff. So been doing this a long time. I love doing it. Reach out. I'm happy to help. It's a way that you can say thank you if you like the videos. That's the way you can thank me, is reach out and ask for my help. I'd love to help you get some good quotes. And if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. All right, I will catch you on the next one.